I was lost in darkness, blind to the light, wandering aimlessly through the endless night. But you, O Lord, called my name. You reached out, and I was never the same. Through valleys deep and mountains high, you wiped my tears and heard my cry. Your word became a lamp to my feet, a guiding path, steady and sweet. From ashes to beauty, you lifted my soul, restoring my heart, making me whole. I am the clay, and you are the potter, shaping my life with living water. Your mercy found me unworthy as I am. Unworthy as I am, you called me chosen, a child of the Lamb. By grace, I stand redeemed and free, a living testimony of what you can be. Now I proclaim, with joy I sing, the wonders of Christ, my Savior, my King. For in my life your glory I see, a living testimony for eternity.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Israelmbonyi.